Hello dear friends, welcome back to this YouTube video. And in today's YouTube video we are going to see how you can be able to use Git. So we are doing like the basics of Git. We did how to download Git, and now we can see we have Git on our machine. If you don't know how to download, I have a video of doing that. Then we configured Git so that it could show our name, and you can check that video. You can see how we did this. So now in our today's video we are going to see how to use Git to commit our message, to commit like whenever we make a change, we save the changes using Git. So let us do that right now. So the basic command we'll be using is Git Add, and we'll be using Git Commit, and I will explain to you all of these messages, all of these commands. So let us go to a new, let us create a folder. cdd. Okay, let us make a new folder. So these are the basic commands to open a folder and open it. So we are making a directory, we are cd into it, like we are getting inside it, then we list it. It does not have anything. So if you remember, we did a video on how to create your first Git in a repository, and how to do that we use Git init, like we are initializing Git. Let me show you something before we do that. So if we say ls here, ls a, it lists all the folders, even the hidden one. So if we say git init, we will see something. So let us see. We can see a message here, empty Git repository was started. So if we ls now, we can see a folder here created by Git. So this folder is where Git stores all everything that it does on this folder. So now if we come and we use Git status to see the status of the status of the changes that Git is tracking. And now you can see there is nothing here. So let us create our first file. To create a file, you can use touch. It will work for every operating system. And now you can list, you can see we have the file there. Then now we come and use Git status to see the status of the changes. And you can see, you can see we have untracked changes by which is index.html, and also it is telling us how to use how to add this file in order to be tracked. You can use Git add, then the file name. There are various ways to add. You can use the Git add file name, it will work. And also you can use Git add dot, it will add the files, it will add the file to the tracking, to track changes. And the easiest one. You can also git add, or you give it a dash to frag all the file. If you had index.html, script.css, you can use that. But for now, let us start with the first one. Git add index, then we add it, then we check the status. You can see now it has changed to a green, and it has told us the changes were committed. So that is how you can add files. That is the first command to remember. The first one was git init to initialize, then you use git add, then the file name, or the file name, you just write the file, then the first letter, then you press tab in order for it to populate. So that is how we add a file name. So, and also now we want to like add a commit message. So a commit message is used to for you to remember this was the changes that I made. So to write a commit message, you write git, then commit, and you frag m for message, then you enter double quotes, then you enter your message. You can any message you want. The is limited by imagination what you can enter in the double quotes. So initial message, like that, then you close the double quotes, then you press enter, and now this initial message has been inserted by Git. So our file now is tracked by Git. So if we say git status, you can see there is nothing to commit. But when earlier when we are saying, let me see, so earlier when we were saying git status, here git status, we could see something, a length changes or green. So that is how to use git add message, git commit, and how to use git add. So also a bonus point for watching until this point, you can use git log to see the commit message. So you can see here the message that we wrote here is here, and also you can see my name because we used the git configure. It stored the credentials there, and it also have time. Also this is something we will check later, and for now just understand how to commit, how to add, and I think that's the end of this video. So until next time, bye bye.